Understanding, asking someone out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, asking someone out. This phrase is common in everyday conversation, especially when discussing dating and relationships. Let's break it down together, so you can confidently use it in your English conversations. Asking someone out refers to the act of inviting someone you are romantically interested in to go on a date. It's a way of expressing interest in getting to know them better, outside of a formal or platonic setting. This phrase is pivotal in the dating culture, representing a significant step in initiating a potential relationship. When you ask someone out, you're essentially proposing a plan to spend time together. It can be as simple as having coffee, watching a movie, or dining at a restaurant. The key is to convey your interest in a respectful and clear manner. For example, would you like to go out for coffee sometime? How about we catch a movie this weekend? I was wondering if you'd like to have dinner with me. Responses can vary widely based on the person's feelings and interest. If the person is interested, they might say, "Yes, I'd love to. I'd really like that. Sure, that sounds great." If they're not interested, they might respond, "Thank you, but I'm not interested. I'm flattered, but I think we're better off as friends. I appreciate the offer, but I'm not looking to date right now." Understanding and respecting the response is crucial, regardless of its nature. While asking someone out is a common practice, its perception can vary across different cultures. In some cultures, direct expressions of romantic interest might be more acceptable, while in others, such actions might be undertaken with more subtlety. It's essential to be aware of these cultural differences to avoid misunderstandings. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, asking someone out. Whether you're navigating the dating scene or just curious about English phrases, understanding such expressions can enhance your communication skills. Remember, clear and respectful communication is key. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.